In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Outlook tasks effectively. Imagine you're working on a project and there are countless tasks piling up. Managing them efficiently can feel overwhelming. That's where Outlook Tasks comes in, providing a streamlined way to organize your tasks directly within Microsoft Outlook. Let's dive into it. First, you'll need to open Microsoft Outlook. If you haven't yet, head over to Outlook's main page. Once there, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the sign in button. Go ahead and click on it. Enter your email and password when prompted to log in. This step is important because you need to be signed in to access and manage your tasks. Now that we're inside Outlook, take a look at the left side of the screen. You'll notice various icons for different applications. You want to focus on finding the icon that resembles a tick or check mark. This is the to-do icon. Give it a click and this section will open. It's your gateway to the tasks feature where all your task organization magic happens. With the task section open, let's create your first task. This is done by simply typing in the name of the task you want to add. Think about the task you want to accomplish, or perhaps something that's been on your mind, and type it right in. Giving a clear and precise title to your task can help you later recognize what needs to be done without any confusion. Next, we'll add a due date to your task. Look around for a calendar icon. It should be visible on your screen. Once you find it, click on it to bring up a calendar. You might be wondering why a due date is important. Well, setting a date for your task helps you manage your time better and ensures you work towards deadlines. Once you've opened the calendar, you'll want to click on Pick a Date. This function lets you choose when you plan to complete the task. Click on the desired date that aligns with your schedule. After setting up the due date, don't forget to hit Save. Clicking Save is crucial as it ensures that all the details you've added to your task are locked in and securely saved. Finally, you'll need to confirm the creation of your task by clicking Add. This will add the task to your list, and just like that, you've set yourself up with a new organized task. And there you have it. You've just used Outlook tasks to organize your to-dos. Remember, keeping track of tasks not only helps in managing your workload, but also ensures a balanced work life by preventing task overflow. Use this feature to stay on top of everything and gradually boost your productivity. Thank you for watching and happy tasking.